Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session, we are going to see how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu 22.04. Jenkins is a continuous integration (CI) server that supports a wide range of tools and technologies. Adopting a CI process ensures that all developers' working copies of code are regularly merged into a shared trunk. Once a change is committed to the repository, the product is automatically rebuilt and tested. At first, check the OS version. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I'm going to download repository package to automate Jenkins installation. Package has been downloaded. Then add the package to the apt repository by using below command. Repository has been added. Now update the repository using apt update. Repository has been updated successfully. First install the Jenkins dependencies. Dependency packages are installed. Now install Jenkins by using following command. Jenkins installed successfully. Now start the Jenkins service. Then check the status of the Jenkins service. Status is active and running. Now allow Jenkins port on Ubuntu default firewall. Also allow OpenSSH on Ubuntu default firewall. Then enable firewall. Now check the status of the firewall. 8080 port and OpenSSH are allowed. Now open the browser. Search with the IP, along with the port number. To unlock Jenkins, copy the file path. Go to the terminal and get the password from the file. Copy the password. Paste the password here, and click Continue. Here click Install Suggested Plugins. It will take some time to complete. Create admin user here, and click Save, and Continue. Here enter your Jenkins URL, then click Save, and Finish. Now click Start using Jenkins. This is the Jenkins dashboard. This is the procedure to install Jenkins on Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.